The video shows you how to find and view iTunes backups on a PC or Mac, with or without restoring files. Part 1. Where to find iTunes backup files. Below are the default iTunes backup locations on Windows, PC, and Mac. On Windows PC, users username app data roaming Apple computer mobile async backup. On Mac, library application support mobile async backup. How to get to iTunes backups on your Windows PC. Step 1. Open the search box. Windows 10. Click the search box next to the Start button in the lower left corner. Windows 8. Click the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. Windows 7. Click the Start button in the lower left corner and find the search box. Step 2. Tap the search box, enter app data, and hit the Enter key on the keyboard. Step 3. From here, open the folders in sequence. Apple Computer Mobile Async Backup. How to get to iTunes backups on your Mac. You can input the above location path in the menu bar. Or, Step 1. Open iTunes on macOS 10.14 or lower or Finder on macOS 10.15 or higher. Step 2. In iTunes, click Preferences Devices Control-click the wanted backup from the list, select Show in Finder. In Finder, connect your iDevice to your Mac and tap your iDevice under Locations. Then, tap Manage Backups under the General section, right-click a backup file and choose Show in Finder. After that, you will notice that these files are non-readable. If you need to view iTunes backups, continue reading the next part. Part 2. How to view iTunes backup files without data loss. With the professional iTunes Backup Viewer Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery, you can directly view the backup files details on your PC and decide which specific items to restore without data loss. Step 1. Download and run the software on your computer and choose the Recover from iTunes Backup File tab on the left panel. Select a backup file on the interface when it displays and click the Start Scan button to continue. Note, if you cannot find the desired iTunes backup file, tap the Select button at the bottom to pick an iTunes backup file from other customized folders. Step 2. Tick off the data types you want to check in the next interface and hit the Start Scan button again. After scanning, it will show the specific files in different categories on the interface. Step 3. Choose one category from the left window and preview all files under the category. If necessary, you can check the specific files you want to restore and hit the Recover to Computer button to store them to your computer in readable formats. Part 3. How to view iTunes backup files by restoring backup. Data loss. You can also view iTunes backup files after restoring data to your iPhone, although the syncing process will erase the existing data on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the latest version of iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone or iPad to it using a USB cable. Step 2. When iTunes recognizes your iDevice, tap the iDevice icon at the top left corner and click Restore Backup under Summary. Step 3. Select the backup file you wish to restore and hit the Restore button. After restoring data to your iPhone, you can freely check the restored files under different features on your iPhone.